Hello friends, welcome back to another video. I'm super excited to be sharing with you guys Woofenomics, a meme token in the Solana ecosystem. Ticker symbol WOOF. Just to share with you, a couple of days back, I actually wrote a script about this video, Woofenomics. And then I don't have time, so I decided to make a video today. And before I film this video, I decided to check the website, and lo and behold, they have a lot of updates, upgrades, new functions, new information, which I felt that my previous script would not do it justice. So I very quickly did some amendments to my script. So here goes. Basically, the content is this: what is Woof? We'll go through the website, the white paper, the roadmap very quickly together, and I'll share with you guys why I decided to buy Woofenomics last week and consistently buying the dip over the past couple of days, especially the 2 days ago. Firstly, the outline is that its current market capitalization compared to other dog coins, the risk to reward ratio, the strength of the community, which I'm going to elaborate more later on, so you want to sit through and find out, and my personal price target for Woofenomics. Right, so I know that time is always in short supply, so I've left the timestamp in the description box below, so you can just skip ahead to any interesting section that you want to go through, right? But do sit throughout the entire video, because it would help the YouTube algorithm and it would definitely bring it out this video to more people. So before I continue, I'd like to dish out a couple of disclaimers. Believe it or not, this is not financial advice, it's for information and entertainment purposes only. So what you decide to do with your bread is the decision you need to make with your head. So do your research, do your due diligence before buying any particular coins or stock, whatever, right? So after dropping this bombshell, I want to warmly welcome anyone new to this channel. Hello everybody, xin chào các bạn, 大家好, Assalamualaikum everybody. So this channel focuses on stocks, coins, crypto that I personally involved in. And if that's the journey you want to work together, then make it happen by gently tapping that subscribe button and smash that notification bell at the side. Alright, so it's a long ride, let's start. Alright, so this is the Woof website. As you can see over here, it says DEX and NFT marketplace. DEX, it is a DEX right now. If you look at the swap, the Woof swap, you can swap whatever token that you want to swap with, different token pair. You can provide liquidity, you can pool trading, which is this. They have a trading chart for you to trade, buy order, limit buy, sell, different trading pairs. So it's quite comprehensive. It looks exactly at Radium swap and trading, liquidity pool and stuff like that. Of course, they do not have NFT yet. See over here, they do not have NFT yet, but not to worry, it will be coming soon, right? So yeah, so this is the tokenomics. The total supply is 79 billion right now. Of course, 982 billion burned. So this is the burn wallet. I can show you in a little bit. So we'll be going through the white paper, the Woof paper, which is this one. Okay, so this is the burn wallet instance, how much they have actually burned. Okay, so it's quite transparent thus far. They partnered with Okra, Jupiter, Phantom, DexLab, Adri, and this is an ecosystem. Woof was an experimental spontaneous community building. The initial supply of 1 trillion token was airdropped to anyone who signed up. Half of the supply was burned each day, which is a lot, right? Until 99% of tokens burned. Of course, they stopped the half supply burn per day. Okay, so the founders only own 1 to 2% of the total circulating supply, meaning Woof is really truly decentralized token. Now 98% of the Woof burned, right? Transparent team wallet. This is the team wallet. As you can see over here, you can take a look at it if you want to deep dive into it. A Woof charity initiative. Basically, recently Woof has donated 4 dog charity. Okay, 4 different dog charity, in which I will be showing in this the screenshot will be shown here, right? Okay, so the roadmap, let's take a look. So launch of our proprietary DEX Woof swap, which happened already in Q3, Q4, which is this too, which is this and this, right? So it is alright. So grow Woof social media presence, listed on Bit3 Exchange. Launch our NFT marketplace, which is similar to Radium. Drop our DAO NFT woofers and drop our Woof branded merchandise. And in Q1, Q2 2022, grow partnership with different NFT creator space, expands our centralized exchange listing, CEX. Develop governance for Woof DAO, develop the Woof Crypto Academy. Of course, Q3, Q4 of 2022 will be super exciting. Integrate Woof into DeFi gaming and metaverse. Woof eSport team. Okay, so this is super exciting. What's gonna happen next? Of course, if you don't know how to buy, they do provide you with an explanation. If you don't know, lazy to read, let me know. I'll go through with you in video form, one by one, step by step. Okay, so this is the the first page, Crypto Academy, and they do have their own YouTube channel where they post AMA, right? They talk about
the dog that says what?
What's gonna happen next, etc.
That's all. Everyone who's listening in.
Yeah, so if you have any question, so do listen to their AMA. They do have a summary and here and there. So yeah, in general, just go to the Discord channel. There are a lot of information over there. It is the team, and yep. Okay, so let's take a look at the Woofpaper. They have brief history about Woof, and they explain to you, how is it gonna, how it has formed and everything, right? So brief history. I'm not gonna bore you guys with that. I'll leave the links in the description box below. And the main mission for Woof is building the next community and social token on Solana blockchain. Right, what we have learned as we've been building that the common dog tokens, Doge, Shiba Inu, etc., right, are very popular because they are fun, very easy to get into in general, non-crypto community. In the coming months, Woof will be building a fleet of easy to understand services that are more to new cryptocurrency user that use trade on Solana, buy, sell NFT, can learn about blockchain industry, DeFi, avoiding dangerous schemes within the space. Woof community. Alright, they want to aim to grow into a reputable entry point for new users in crypto education, providing easy to comprehend resources and having fun together. Just to share with you, the reason why I decided to share this video and I talk about Woof, despite having many different other coins, is because I really enjoy my time in the Discord channel, the Woof Discord channel especially. If you don't have Discord, go and create one. If you have, join the Woof community and just have fun and chill together. Okay, so decentralized exchange, which they have right now, Launchpad, education, NFT projects, governance. So it is really exciting. Okay, it's really exciting. I'm very excited for Woof and what it has in store for all of us. Yeah, now let's talk about the market cap. I'm just going to share with you the market cap Woof. Right now, of course, Woof has dropped, but let's assume that this price, and if you were to compare with Samoyed, we are talking about 6.75x of our return of our initial investment. So I'm not sure about you, whether you think that it's good or bad. To me, as long as it's 2 or 3 or 4 and above, I think it's good investment. I mean, I can put $50, I get back $200. Oh, so be it. All right, you may not be a whale. Just put in some amount that you're willing to lose. This is not financial advice, by the way. Just my personal take on it. And if Woof were to hit Shiba Inu of 25 billion market cap, which is hard, I must say. We are talking about 755x of our initial investment. So you put $1, you earn $755. You put $100, you earn 75,000, and so on and so forth. So it's really crazy. Will it ever happen? Well, it needs a lot of hype. It needs a lot. The community needs to come together and really strong. Okay, but that being said, even if we don't hit what Shiba Inu can hit, which is 55x, right, which is 25 billion, as long as you can hit 200 plus million market cap, which is relatively small. You see, Samoyed is at 200 plus, which I do believe Samoyed can go up higher. So with that, having said that, I do see Woof, climbing higher than its current price. So of course, this is my personal take. And even if we don't hit 6.75x for Woof, right, we are talking about, let's take a look at the chart that Woof swap provided for us. So initially I wanted to make a video, and it was at 9, right, 0.009, and as you can see, if I had made a video, it would be 5x of your initial investment if it reaches all-time high, which is, you no need to be, you know what, 10x, 100x, just 5x. I think it's good enough. You put $50, you get $250. Yeah, I mean, it's good enough. And anyway, so right now, the current situation is that it is at this market price, right? This price, and we are talking about 230% return, which quite insane as well. So in terms of the risk to reward ratio, even if you don't, you know, 6.75x, or even if you don't 755x, I mean, if it goes back up to all-time high, then we can expect, you know, 200 plus return. And of course, what is the risk I'm willing to take, which is 45%, which is quite a lot. But if you put money that you're willing to lose, okay, you just ride it. All right, so see how it goes from there. But you know, given the trajectory of Woof, I'm quite excited. I'm really excited on Woof, and I do hope that they break the all-time high, go to fight, you know, cheap Samoyed and stuff like that. Will it flip? I don't know. I think Samoyed has its own strength as well, which I'm going to talk about it in another video. Okay, so that having said that, the risk to reward, the market cap, and last, which I had mentioned before, the Discord, the strength of the Discord group. I really enjoy it. You guys should join. That's all I can say. I have said enough about the strength of the Discord group. And my personal price target. Yes, my personal price target. Well, based on this, of course, my risk to reward also based on my personal price target, right? So when I first wanted to make a video, my personal price target would be at around break this all-time high, which is 500x, which I accumulated quite a fair bit at a point of time. So which is, I'm talking about 5x, which is at 0.005 or 0.006. Yeah, so around there. But of course, in ultimate price target for Woof, if it continues this trajectory, if it deliver what it has promised thus far, then I do see it reaching, you know, 200 million market cap, which is around, you know, 0.01, which is 1 cent. Okay, I do see it happening. I do see it, you know, realistic price target. Okay, if Solana start to climb, Bitcoin start to, you know, wake up the idea, and Solana climb, I think it's very much possible. Okay, but let's say, what is my very bullish, super bullish price target? I would say $1, because means we will be close to Shiba Inu, which is 25 billion. $1, super bullish. Which if we ever reach $1, wow, man, it's really crazy. I'm quite excited if it ever happens. Anyway, if so 10 cent is bullish. So we talk about 10 cent now is 1 cent, right? At 200 plus. So I do see it reaching 2 billion. So if 2 billion is 10 cent, it's great as well. Now realistic is this is pretty realistic. Bearish is going back to 0.0008. That would be bearish, or it could eventually go to nothing. Alright, we never know. Okay, we can talk all we want. It has delivered, you know, what it has promised, but you know, you never know. But given its, you know, AMA, given the Discord channel, the community, don't see it going down. I don't see it, but doesn't mean it won't happen, right? So I don't see it happening going down. I do see it going up from now on, especially with Bitcoin. You know, once it has recovered, you know, going back to 60k, going up to 70k, boom, I do see 1 cent happening. 10 cent maybe, but 1 cent I do see it happening. But at least if it goes back up to all-time high, I don't mind as well. So that is the beauty of buying the dip. Yeah, so that's about it for this video. If you are Woof holders, I wish us all the very best. If you haven't gotten any Woof at all, and still watching thus far, right, this is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence, but you know, once you've done so, I welcome you to the Discord channel on behalf of so many people, right? Like on the Discord channel, I'm not the admin, I'm not dev, I'm not whatever. I'm just there to enjoy myself. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.